So, is this thing on? Okay, this thing's on. So, guys, wow, yo, what's up? Magma-Minecraft tayo kasama ng kapatid ko. Daniel, hi ka nga. Hi. So, syempre, nakita nyo na siya sa mga videos ko dati. Lalo na dun sa mahaba kong short. Ba't tinawag kong short? Yun. Dinilagay ni mama? Happy na ako dun. Teka lang. Guys, teka lang. Teka lang, nakiki-hotspot lang ako sa tatay ko. Check ko kung... Wait.
Dito na din ako.
Teka lang guys. Teka lang. Pause ko muna guys. Teka lang tigil ko muna recording ko. Papost ko muna. Yan Okay na ba ta?
Tupig yan.
Okay.
Chasing three people.
Okay guys, mahilig kasi mag-English kapatid ko. Okay na. So, teka lang. Papunta tayo sa survival world namin na... may cheat kami na keep inventory. Tapos dito hardcore. Kaya, connect ko na pala na nakakonect na sa hotspot ng papa ko. Teka lang, tingnan lang. Sasab na po. Nabi ko kasama. Unite! Gagawin tayo. Told you. So guys, sabi ko unite, tinagdikit ko yung cellphone namin, tapos himala, gumana. So guys, papatugtog ba tayo?
Sige!
Teka lang guys, post ko muna yung recording hanggang matapos na tong loading na to. Catch you guys back. So what's up guys, nandito tayo. Pero kailangan natin tulog. Guys, nakatulog na ako. Nakatulog din kapatid ko. So, papatagtag tayo ng anting hits. Guys, big fan na ako ng tugtog ni Lady Gaga pati ni Bruno Mars. Yung Die With A Smile. So, ito na. Teka lang, sunduin ko muna kapatid sa taas. Daniel, dyan ka lang, huwag kayo kilos.
Kumikiyos lang.
So, sinusuban ko gumawa ng map. Hindi gumagana. Daniel ka na. Ito lang. So, yan siya guys. Sige, baba ka. Smack. Huwag ka mag-crouch! Daniel, pasok na. Bilisan mo. Yan. Pasok na. So guys, pasok ka muna kapatid ko. Yan. Guys, nakaroon ba? Guys, nakaroon ba? Ayan, teka lang, ganyan. Guys, may zombie kayo nakita na ba? Teka lang, sarado natin lahat. Sarado lang mga pasok. So, kakailan. Sarado mo. So guys, narinig niyo ba yung song? Kung naririnig niyo, pakinggan niyo lang kasi boses ko lang. So guys, nandito na kami. Gagawa doon ng die yung kapatid ko. Guys, paano ito nakikita ko sa screen? Okay, okay. So Daniel, tara baba na. Guys, catch you later kapag nandun namin sa cave. So guys, nandito na kami. May crawling kasi kami dito, experiment. So, tanong nyo bedrock to, tapos uy, bisa mo na. Please, hurry up. Tapos, napansin ko, nung malapit na kami, wala akong torch. Pasira ng mga pickaxe namin.
One touch me.
Gawin nyo ng 7 torch. Dalawang silang pickaxe. Dito lang tayo, Daniel. So, guys, exploration time.
And then I go down.
Dito tayo banda. So guys, papayta ko sa inyo mga items namin naman.
Hey, this way.
Dito ang part oh. Stop falling. So guys, naglalap ako. Game lag, ating lag. Of the above. Sorry, ginaya ko lang yung screen. Nakita ko name mo.
Ako din.
Yes, Daniel. Guys,
Why are you
nakikita niyo.
doing this? Thank you.
Oops, dito guys.
I got you, Yaba. I got Yaba. Yaba.
Guys, nasa lava daw kapatid ko. Di ko alam nasan.
Hindi ako na sa Yaba.
So guys, sasabihin nyo kung nakita kayong diamonds. Da-double check ko yung records ko. Nakikita kita. Ba't yun nandyan? Ay, ganda. Well done nga, get up ko. Okay. Okay. Wait. Guys, Daniel, bumalik ka dito sa taas. So guys, nakita ko miss tayo. No, Daniel, dyan ka lang. Daniel, magpunta ka sa chest natin. Magdala ka na pala ng mga sticks. So guys, wala ng torch.
So, I got the one torch though.
Guys, nag-rely na lang ako sa sun. Ah!
I want to get some diamonds.
Guys, wala makita. Sige. Ah! Zombie. Sige, papatay lang ako kasi keep inventory naman to.
Hey, I see your name.
Tara.
Hey.
Okay guys, bababa ulit ako. Daniel, bumaba ka dito.
Hindi ako. Baba.
Kaya mo yan. Huwag ka lang tumayon pa bro.
Hindi talaga ako makababa.
Kaya mo yan. Kami na. Ikaw guys, yung mga kapatid ko. Yun, a quick second.
A quick second. 10 minutes later.
No way. Guys, may isa pa din ang favorite na song. Title ng song, Let Her Go. So, ang astig talaga ng song. Ito na, natugtog na siya.
Hey, don't go.
So, ito yung wood chest namin. Chest. Stop opening chest! Oh, wait, you're opening that chest. So, ito yung tools namin. Oh, Daniel, meron pala akong pickaxe para sa'yo. So, ayan, guys, meron ako na. Daniel, ilan pa yung coal? Yo, balik mo yan! Bro, return it.
Ayan.
Mamaya, bibigyan kita. Balik mo, bibigyan kita.
Kuya, maghanap din ako.
So, on to na lang. Touch.
Nothing.
Stop looking at that chest. So, guys. Best way na magagawa ko itong mag-aantay kami ng ating oras. So, guys, see you in a bit. See you guys in a
I
bit.
don't like my belly. Look at me.
So, guys, this thing's on. So, now we crafted. Oh, God. You almost could. I'm gonna bring food with us, man.
Bring me chest. I got the bread.
We're getting all the berries. So, guys, dadalhin ko lahat ng berries kasi di ka nakakapatay ng Daniel. So, nagtataka kayo ba tanda ng sa beef? You genius! So, guys, mga skins lang namin to. Wala pa kaming true account. Daniel, I'm gonna get us beds. It's night time. Let's go down. Come on, guys. Baban tayo. Guys, teka lang. Post ko hanggang nandiyan. Man, try to jump scare him. Teka lang, Daniel. Mamatay na ako.
Sorry.
Huwag mo ko i-hit niyan. So, let's go. Yeah, basta
Jump on the tail.
Just wait. Die.
I fell cold.
Okay, Daniel. Wait, there's coal in there?
No gold.
Oh, God, we have iron. We have too many things down here.
Ow.
So, guys, trap. Daniel, don't die. Come back up here. Come down for you. Bibigyan kita ng berries. They have food.
Yeah.
Ano food mo?
Ready.
I'll give. Yan.
Where is it? Okay.
So guys, nakuha namin yung berries namin.
Oh.
Sige, baba. 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 Baba pa.
Ow.
Ooh. Going to the dark web. Wait, I'm dying. Meron na akong bakit hindi ginagamit. Sa side touch ko.
I'm going to die.
Sasamahan ko rin si Daniel. Di tayo banda. Tuwa naman sa gilid.
Hi.
So, may lava.
Yaba again. Pakain na to.
So, guys. Oh! Hindi ko na mahulog.
Again, another yaba. Hey, kuya!
What?
I'm over here. Redstone.
Don't mind it. You don't have an iron pickaxe. So, guys, labas na lang ako nito. So, guys, babalikan ko yung napuntahan ko ng cave.
Hey, don't leave me.
Maya! Guys, tinatawag kami ngayon. Gusto mo? Dito. Dito, Daniel. Akit ka dito. 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 Yan, akit ka dyan. Yan, tapos akit ka dito. Ooh, guys, cute.
Do you have some toast?
Tell him, Daniel. You can find that.
I just get it. Ooh, those,
Ito gagamitin ko pang manong kung ano na.
those things.
Dark cave equals diamonds.
Yo, yeah. Even gold. Over here with
Banday, ilawan ko yan. Di
oh,
tayo banday. Guys, exploring.
ow.
Diamonds?
Lemons?
Diamonds?
I see, ay.
Wait, Daniel. Get away. Get away. Get away. Am I that? Away na mine shaft. Thought it was a mine shaft. Wait, this way then. Wait, Daniel. Stop going forward. This way. Oh, wait. There's nothing in here. Let's go. Let's go back. We're going back. Daniel, babalik ka. Babalik tayo sa pinuntahan natin. Daniel, where are you going? Follow me. Get out of my way, bro. Sorry. Okay, guys. This is me troubling.
I just did it.
Okay, hindi tayo. Akit tayo. Guys, hindi ko yung cobblestone. Yeah, that is fish.
Okay.
I really want to put something new, colorful. Yes, I'm gonna try.
Hey.
Sorry. Shit.
Oh. I cannot see your name. Ay, Meow. Ay, kapatitin. I will stay here. I will mine down. I will quit. What? Why?
We're going this way.
Oh, oh. Hey, don't hit me. Because I and the knife going. This block is getting on my way.
Where's the block?
This is stone.
Oh wait, we reached dead end. We're going back. Oh, this way. Daniel!
Hey, don't hit me.
Where-
Redstone.
We'll mind that later. Don't have any more jewels in it. My pick is about to broke, guys.
I see diamonds.
What?
Yo.
I'm not sure if we're gonna be eating num num nums.
Go, go.
Come on. I'll follow you then.
Yobo.
Pa. So guys, teka lang pa. Wait. Oh yeah, time to build another portal. Oh yeah. What the holy? Oh, yeah. I kind of big. Yeah, guys, we'll continue vlogging next time and see you later. Bye, jump at me. Bye, guys. You're gonna be dying and see you in the next one.